What's good, everyone? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be reacting to episode 5. At that time, I got reincarnated as a slum. If you guys are new here and you do enjoy the video, don't forget to hit that sub. Turn on that notification and share with your friends, family, or whoever. We really appreciate it. Last time we left off, you know, he wanted Diablo to come out, but
yeah, I'm still waiting, bro, because that nigga look raw, bro.
We saw the 3 biscuiteers, you know, they came in. Shion and the lady, snake lady, where they were fighting. I forgot her name. Is it Alpheus?
Yeah.
Or Alpheus? I completely
what's the leader for the what's his name? The dude that came and beat the nigga up and put him on the thing and walk away.
Carrion, Demon Lord Carrion.
I want to see more of him. That nigga look raw.
Oh, Demon Lord Carrion.
That nigga look raw.
Oh yeah, it was freaking funny as hell and stuff. And at the end, you remember at the end, they fuck, I forgot. At the end of I think it was the 2nd episode, we had like this dude that was in Dorkland, like a vampire looking dude with a castle and shit.
Oh, yeah,
it was talking and shit, and he talked to this one lady, that right? And she came in.
Oh yeah.
So let's jump right into this, you guys. Episode 5. At that time, I got reincarnated as a slime.
Talk about none of that shit.
Remember, Clement said he had her heart. So something to do with her. Or some, they have something for like some loved one or something.
Truly. Isn't it natural to want to protect the people that you cherish in life?
The person that you think you love doesn't even really exist.
Listen carefully.
Damn. Damn.
Damn. Bro, I'm beat now, bro.
Damn.
You fool me until the day I die.
Damn. That nigga knew. So he knew. He knew since then.
He knew she was a Majin or something like that.
The love, man.
Oh, sorry. You just took advantage of the moments of hunger, you creep!
That nigga's fighting over her. Oh shit.
She's doing this because she loved him. If she don't, they're probably dead. They're probably gonna try to kill him.
What's she doing? Blocking communication?
She's putting up something.
I think about the car and shit. I think about the slice, bro.
I don't think he's gonna do it, bro. Here he said she's doing it for his sake. She's doing it. And her eye, you saw her eye? It was looking towards him. This shit right here, this is fall mode right here. And remember fall mode, the humans coming in? So that's 2 barriers right there. Double barriers. I'm gonna weaken the city and cut off.
Them niggas felt that shit.
There's something interfering. Lord Rimuru.
But he was on the way back though, so.
How disappointing. You talk such a big game, I hoped you might actually be a challenge.
Damn, your kicking game's no joke.
What is this? My strength is leaving my body.
They put up an anti-magic barrier.
Yeah, anti-magic barrier and another one to keep them in and keep them weakened.
But they got some swordsmen out here now. Slice and dice and all that shit. Slice and
but
dice.
they're weakened though.
But still though, they slice and dice with all that shit.
On to the next episode.
We don't gotta do a recap, man.
Ranga.
What is it, Master?
I love you. No,
I thought that's what he was gonna say.
he said he's ready to go home.
Okay, I'm sure everyone is eagerly waiting for you. Even I'm excited.
What? But you've been with me the whole time.
Master?
That nigga said, even I'm excited.
Ranga, get into my shadow.
Right.
Yo, that's cool, right? Hey, get in my shadow right now.
Notice. What's wrong, Great Sage? You're enclosed within a wide-range barrier.
For real?
All spatial interference seals that would permit an exit are sealed. Spatial movement cannot be used.
Someone put up a barrier for him alone.
Lord Rimuru,
Zoe! Body double?
please listen. You must flee.
What happened to you?
Enemies. A lot. They are dangerous.
Oh shit! I ain't gonna cut. If I was there, I would've been like, "What the fuck?"
What's going on? More bad news?
You have been enclosed within another wide-range barrier.
Another barrier.
Overkill much?
The latest barrier prevents the use of
Notice.
Seriously?
They say resist successful.
Yeah.
The person who put up these
But there's restriction on some skills.
They're trying to kill your ass.
They trying to take him out. Hey, you ain't gonna build no town around here, sir. Your kind doesn't belong around here. Does it? Does it
Say hello, except this is technically more of a goodbye.
kind of look like Shiza, right?
The Holy Knights.
Monsters. What's up? I don't believe we
The Holy Knights. I'm supposed to 7 deadly sins, nigga.
got the wrong guy.
You're very polite. Nicer than
I
most
mean,
monsters.
the Holy Knights is something like in general. You know, like Michael is a Holy Knight, is a Holy Knight angel.
Look at me.
He's a Holy Knight.
Boring adventure.
Arthur, King Arthur is
Put it
also.
down. I received an anonymous tip.
Say what?
There are eyes all over.
She sounds like the FBI. I received an anonymous tip.
I don't get it. You sold me out.
Your city's in my way. Not for long.
You want to destroy Tempest? No, you've already attacked, haven't you?
Well, someone has.
They're freaking weak because of the double barrier.
I swear you must be part cockroach. Disgusting. Die!
Old man coming near the clutch.
But I will face you in my incompetent pupil's stead. Is that how you speak to your elders?
Eh?
Show respect. Just kill you!
Yeah, nigga. I ain't gonna cut on that nigga look evil as shit. That nigga fighting an old dude, bro. What's up, nigga?
He's moving slowly. Oh.
You can't use full strength. This barrier, it must make monsters weaker.
My all-seeing eye. Get ready to finally pass on to the afterlife.
Oh, master!
Oh shit, GG's to the old man.
Please, just hold on.
Damn. Damn.
Imagine that, bro. So break the fucking ground.
Apologize to Shogo later. He'll be mad that I played with his toy before him.
How I knew he was gonna do that. I knew he was gonna catch it. I'm thinking catch it. I knew he was gonna crush it. Motherfuckers just show up and just start
It's okay.
destroying shit.
Lady Shield will make the bad guys go away. She's an incredibly strong warrior.
Now die!
Wow, this is fucked up, bro. I ain't gonna
Yo!
She about to murk that nigga.
Time's up.
Oh shit, here comes the cavalry.
Hurry! We're being attacked by monsters! You have to help us!
you gonna go in their town and say you've been attacked by them when you're the one?
I brought her back as a little. Oh.
I come to see the friendly monster land I heard of and find this? We won't stand for such savagery!
Watch out!
You're breaking human laws. Therefore, the Knights of Bahamut have come here to assist you.
Tell me why you want this.
Don't cry.
All because of fucking economy, bro. These niggas are some
Economy. He
wizards.
said all because he said, oh, don't hurt human too. So they were going easy on them
You're a
too
monster, you consider
because he
yourself
likes
a being.
humans.
Such things mean little to me, so I admit it slipped my mind. But since you insist, I serve as the right hand of God in the Holy Empire of Reberios. My title is Chief Knight of the Imperial Guard and Captain of the Holy Knights. If you need a name, Hinata Sakaguchi. Not that you're going to be around.
Hinata, she's the one who left Seiju.
No,
She
wait,
te-
but
she-
that means
Teach Seiju
I heard
and
you were
left her.
captain of the Holy Knights, but I didn't know you're Chief Knight of the Imperial Guard too.
I see you're well informed, though I don't love that monsters know who I am.
Don't be hasty. There's something I wanted to talk to you about.
I don't care about a monster's words.
I said wait!
You actually evaded that? Color me surprised. I no longer have any doubt that you.
She's one of the strongest
And now
hero
I'm
in
ready
this.
for
Like,
adventure.
Look, just hear me
she's
out.
strong. I
You
think
are from Japan, aren't you? I'm Japanese too.
You are?
Yes!
Favor, are you serious?
Yeah, she was really worried about you. That's how I know who you are.
What a ridiculous thing to tell me. I don't see the humor.
You've gotta believe me, I'm from Japan! I was stabbed to death, then reincarnated here as a slime monster.
My intel told me that you'd insist you were Japanese.
she's not even a listener. Just ask him something from like in the real life, you know.
Foreman is somebody who knows I'm Japanese? Who is it? You still insist on fighting me, huh? All by yourself? Okay then.
Laugh if you must. Barrier.
She trying to fuck us.
Seriously?
Yo, is she a rainbow and shit?
Dang, the application isn't working.
Notice. Oh, I thought it was gonna come
I
up.
underestimated you.
Damn.
She's freaking yo. She.
I might be in trouble if I take any more hits.
What's the matter? Have you realized what makes this technique so dangerous?
The attack works directly
The
on
spiritual, yo.
How can I withstand?
Way out of this. You are cornered, slime. The Holy Field skill is the ultimate anti-monster barrier and the pride of the Western Holy Church.
Traps monsters inside, and then they're weakened by.
Is your only opponent? But normally I would give such a menial task to someone else. There's only one reason I don't.
Yo, I would like to see like other people. She said she's the chief, right? She's like the upper.
I accepted it because you are the one who killed Shizu.
It's not what you think!
That's enough. I will kill
She's
you.
not even listening,
The
bro.
only
She's
way to
like,
avenge her.
You're not wrong. Technically, I was the one who ended her. But please!
Technically, Shizu is dead, and that's the result that matters.
Who could have told Hinata that Shizu was dead? Whoever it was, certainly
Someone-
didn't paint me as
who did he
the
told?
story.
He, like someone knew,
Worried about
Hinata.
his friends?
Of course.
and someone told Hinata
After
who
all,
Rimuru
it takes you long to have no
was,
way to return home. Not that I have any intention.
and that Rimuru is the one who
I
took
think
Hinata
it's too
alive
soon to
for
declare
him.
your own victory! I'll strike using steel strength and strength and body!
Oh shit, them boys fading. Nigga on that, bro. I'm sold.
How many hits you already got in? You already got like.
The nigga got one hit.
You got hit one?
Yeah, fuck his ass up. Should've fucking his ass up.
Oh, I thought that went through.
Kill me with just one more strike.
Oh, so you know. This sword is infused with a special ability known as Dead End Rainbow, and it guarantees that my opponent will die on the 7th hit. Understand? You have fought well, but it's easy to see.
Spiritual beings. So you can kill a freaking.
Yeah, I definitely wasn't
Spirits?
expecting a fight that I had no hope of winning. Regardless, I will keep fighting, even if it's in vain. I may be
It's like a
blind,
Ghostbuster
but I'm
sword.
not so I just roll over and die.
Notice, using the unique skill to
Is that sword from Bleach?
Whoa. What the?
It can kill even spiritual beings. You have fought well, but it's easy to see you.
Fight,
I may be a swine, but I'm not so soft that I just.
Nah, yo, cat, that shit getting too.
using the unique skill to generate, a higher level elemental known as Ifrit has been separated into a pure spirit.
All right. Defeat my enemy.
That's an Ifrit, pure spirit.
Fire, Ifrit!
You can summon Ifrit.
So that means he can summon the dragon.
But Veldora is not a spirit.
Well, hold up, he got the spirit all by itself? Oh shit! That nigga raw, that nigga different, bro.
You never would have
Veldora is not a
imagined
spirit.
that
Veldora is a
you
dragon.
were
It's a physical form.
Nice try.
Oh.
But it's
Ifrit
still
is a
enough to
spirit.
grant you a victory.
Ifrit is like. Remember he went to the thingy with the kids? Those are spirits. So,
What just happened?
Answer.
Are you saying she can steal her opponent's abilities? Is that Hinata's unique skill?
Because there was a magic circuit between you, it can be assumed that Ifrit was not stolen.
Hinata Sakaguchi. She's a beast far exceeding
it's
all
like
my
she just
expectations.
disrupted
Did she
it.
try to steal Ifrit from me?
Guilty as charged. I'm surprised you knew.
Oh shit, okay.
No,
She
matter.
tried to
To
steal.
confirm, yes, it was my unique skill, known as Usurper.
She's who sent me to help you and the other kids here, but I can't waste any more time on you. There's just too much at stake. Sorry, but I can't
Oh yeah,
hold you
it's
back.
village and shit.
It's time to finish this.
Necessary. I'll have to get serious too.
Or
I
she's
hope you're ready.
freaking
It's a
strong.
tough
I ain't gonna lie.
competition like nothing you've ever experienced, but that's what you deserve.
He about to eat her. He about to fuck her. He about to eat her, bro.
Complete. Order accepted. Executing immediately.
The moment I gave that order, my consciousness faded, like I was sinking into oblivion. Then I lost it entirely. I plummeted into darkness, as if I were asleep.
Yo, oh shit.
He ate her, bro. He ate her.
He ate her.
He ate her, bro.
That's what glutton is. Eat her.
ate her. He ate her, bro.
Freaking awesome episode.
Bro, this shit is lit, bro. I'm not even gonna lie.
It's
bro.
lit.
That shit,
It's awesome.
That shit, yeah.
It was a freaking great episode. Not gonna lie. All right. So, what you said earlier about why don't he summon Veldora? Right? Veldora is a physical form, which is a dragon. While
Freak is a spirit.
Ifrit is a spiritual form.
Oh.
So remember when he went to the cave for the kids? Those and he put those are physical form.
He put in inside the kid.
Yeah, those are physical.
But I know them
spirits.
niggas strong as shit, especially the one that he gave the mask to. She got I know she's strong as shit, bro, cause she got the best, the evilest one. Let me say that.
The evil-
the evilest.
I mean, it
one.
can be.
It look evil. It look evil. That shit just came in.
She can be good too. We don't know.
Shit.
Village got destroyed, bro. Like, I hear people.
That was fucked up. It just fucked up the thing, but it's crazy because that's exactly how warring shit be happening, bro.
Yeah, warring shit.
Niggas
bro.
just be greedy, bro. God damn, bro.
They just want everything. And there's like
that niggas is fucking millions of miles away from you. Okay, I get it. It's gonna fuck up your trade. Then fucking be more. You know what I'm saying? Fuck.
independent, I guess. Way more
Fuck.
independent. What was I gonna say? And someone told Hinata on the kingdom something about it. Who do you think it is? Like, who do you think like told on?
I don't think Melina deadass put out a war, but I think they just say that. They just say that. Yeah.
Like, something that is happening like behind the scenes.
Yeah. Definitely something happening behind the scene, bro. They plan all this shit down to the T.
Demon Lord, there's so much shit happening right now. Demon Lord and Carrion Demon Lord, Millie and Carrion about to go to war. Rimuru village got fucked up,
bruh.
We don't know what's happening. We are slashes, people screaming in the background and
we
stuff.
don't know if the nigga gonna show up in time. That nigga just got stabbed. We don't know what the fuck.
We don't know if he's dead or if he's gonna eat Hinata, like what he said. You know, all this shit just happening at the same time. We got what's that dude's name? Clement, was it? Or here drinking drinks and shit. He put up a barrier with that one lady he had like a chat with and shit that likes that human dude. What? And shit. Like, there's so much shit happening in this episode, you guys. Oh man, it's just getting like so much information and shit. But anyways, you guys, if you guys did enjoy the video, don't forget to hit that sub. We really appreciate it. If you're new here, hit that subscribe,
you know.
Also hit that like, you know,
turn the notification. Don't forget the bell. Like, gotta let them know the whole map. Don't forget to comment.
Whenever we go live, whenever we upload a video, you guys can, you know, get the first look and stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video. See you.